Hi friends! Look what I have today! It's a mystery frozen PlayDoh! I'm so excited to open it. Come on, let's open it! Can you see Elsa doll over here? Wow, wait, there's a blind bag! Wow, this looks so cute! Elsa! Let it go, let it go. I'm not out of the box. Let me out, let me out. Oh, they're Play-Dohs. Let's start. Purple, pink, blue. I have green, purple, pink, and blue. I have 6 blue packages. Now I have one Elsa and I have 4 Elsas. Okay, let's see. We can make leaves and stars. And make shapes in this. See? These are the shapes that there's this thing, cupcake thing, wind and leaves, mountains, crystal. That's how you have, and you have a spin over here. It's a spin, crystal spin. Line number 1. Elsa's iguana! It's an iguana shape and it's Elsa's iguana! It's Anna! It's the rock people. It's the rock monster. Surprise! Here. Elsa's lock! The next surprise. What is this? Oh, it's the wind! Come on, Elsa! You gotta get here. Cool! Let it go, can't hold him back anymore. Let it go, I'm going to stand and take off this. To do some shapes now. I'm taking purple. Let's first make Anna. This is Anna shape. Let me press her. I'm gonna press. Okay, let me cut off the thing. Hola! Okay, put the Play-Doh inside. Press, and hola! Stay with Anna. Glue to make the knock. Glue and the knock. Look at the knock. I'm taking iguana and the orange. This is orange. I'm gonna put the iguana on the orange. Iguana. Wind. Then queen and come. Dun, didn't. Iguana, the narc, the the Olaf, the Anna, and the wind. And now what the coronation is for Elsa. Snow party.